companies generate each day has grown astronomically. To complement that, organizations are smartly developing algorithms, crunching data, and deploying automation to make sense of their enormous data. Yet most companies are still stuck with traditional approaches to defining and monitoring key indicators when it comes to metrics. The traditional approaches of metrics primarily associates it with performance in management. Both performance and management are essential to strengthen a business's core foundation. However, limiting metrics to only managing performance is a sign of business short-sightedness. On the other hand, forward-looking companies use metrics to manage performance as well as to help set future directions. There are three guiding principles to make metrics more effective and holistic. First is begin with business goals. For most successful businesses, there are 4 to 6 success indicators derived from business goals that help the business stay on right trajectory. These 4 to 6 success indicators will be a company's top level metrics, and each business unit or function should develop its metrics based on the top level success indicators. I was helping a financial services company to create their business technology strategy, and during our first meeting with technology leaders from all the business units, I asked what the business goals were. There was silence because the team was operating with a misconception that a technology strategy exclusively deals with data lakes, algorithm, emerging technology, etc. You can imagine that any matrix derived from that kind of strategic direction will be heavily functional specific and only provide a lagging historical perspective. So that's the first guiding principle. Begin with business goals. The second guiding principle is align metrics. There are occasions where function specific or activity specific indicators make sense, but they are few. Nonetheless, develop metrics to support end-to-end processes or a value chain. Isolated metrics will seldom help identify the root cause. In contrast, metrics designed to monitor end-to-end processes or value chain will provide a holistic picture and help dig deeper when required to look for the root cause. For example, an overly used analogy of customer experience. Let's say an organization is determined to enhance customer centricity and boost loyalty. While working on it, if the organization treats each customer interaction separately and focuses on enhancing individual touchpoints in an uncoordinated fashion, the result might fail to reach the target because it's the overall customer experience that matters. Therefore, it's better to consider end-to-end interactions and treat them as a single journey. Similarly, align metrics so the organization has a great understanding of not only what's happening but also the root cause and potential solutions. That leads us to the third guiding principle. Follow the 60-40 rule. Develop 60% of leading indicators and 40% of lagging indicators. Lagging indicators usually compares performance and deal with the past. They are necessary to build benchmarks and to identify deviations. But only developing lagging indicators will lead to business myopia. Therefore, most top performing businesses are more focused on leading indicators. Here comes the 60-40 rule. 60% of leading indicators and 40% of lagging indicators. For example, revenue, gross profit, operating income, that is EBIT, earning before interest and taxes, and net income are the backbones of finance, and they suggest the financial health of a business. But they are lagging indicators. These crucial lagging indicators should be complemented with leading indicators. And based on the strategy, short and long-term goals, and other factors, different projects or ventures will have different leading indicators. But always remember the 60-40 rule. This three guiding principle not only help an organization enhance its execution capability, but at the same time make the organization agile and proactive. Thank you so much for your time. Bye now.